The Silver Cross Searing Medal of Excellence honors the memory of Dr. George H. Searing, a dedicated physician who served this community with skill and compassion for more than 40 years. Each year, this medal is awarded to a healthcare professional whose contributions have advanced their field and improved the lives of countless patients. The 2025 Silver Cross Searing Medal of Excellence recipient is Dr. Reza Ghamagami. As the child of refugees who fled Iran in 1979, Dr. Ghamagami's journey is truly remarkable. That experience instilled in him a deep sense of compassion and a lifelong commitment to healing others through medicine. After completing extensive surgical training in California, Dr. Ghamagami felt a calling to help the underserved. He moved to Illinois in 2000 as the only surgeon for 2 rural hospitals in Kewanee and Princeton. For 5 years, he worked around the clock caring for a wide range of patients, often in challenging circumstances.
My first impressions of Reza were really that maybe he was in a different league than I was, and that he seemed very academic. I met him in a very small town. I was doing locum tenens out in Princeton, Illinois, and he came in with a knowledge and a skill set that was way beyond what I would have expected. And I've just been catching up ever since then.
In 2005, Dr. Ghamagami joined Silver Cross Hospital, bringing his exceptional surgical skill and extraordinary vision for the future of minimally invasive surgery. Within 2 years, he founded Progressive Surgical Associates. At Silver Cross, he pioneered advanced laparoscopic surgery, paving the way for something even more groundbreaking. In 2012, Silver Cross invested in its first Da Vinci robotic surgical system. At that time, robotics was primarily used for prostate and gynecological procedures. But Dr. Ghamagami saw the bigger picture. He led the way in expanding robotics into general surgery, including colorectal, hernia, and gastrointestinal procedures.
And by acquiring this technology, now we have been able to provide minimally invasive surgery to well over 90% of our patients for their GI surgeries or other surgical interventions requiring a minimally invasive intervention.
In early 2025, Dr. Ghamagami reached an extraordinary milestone: more than 5,000 robotic surgeries, placing him in the top 1% of robotic surgeons worldwide.
He's a true proponent of wanting our hospital to succeed. That's reflected in the fact that he literally only operates here. He doesn't split his time between here and any other location. He is all in at Silver Cross. And conversations that we have and the partnership that we have is all about what he can do to make Silver Cross better and what Silver Cross can do to make him better.
Because of his expertise, Silver Cross now has 6 Da Vinci robots, performing complex procedures with smaller incisions, less pain, and faster recoveries. Dr. Ghamagami also holds many firsts when it comes to advanced surgical procedures in the southwest suburbs, including the first to offer minimally invasive gallbladder and colon surgeries using the robotic Da Vinci surgical system, first major liver resection using the Habib technique, the only gastrointestinal board-certified surgeon in Will County who has been given the designation of a total mesorectal excision, or TME, surgeon. TME is now considered the gold standard for removal of cancers of the middle and the lower rectum. First in Will County to offer LINX, an innovative treatment for chronic heartburn.
So I'm very grateful actually for the incredible support I've had, not only from the hospital administration, but also my partners. I'm very blessed with having 5 incredible surgeons working with me and a tremendous office support that we're able to take care of our patients. And that's been a blessing to have so many dedicated individuals in my practice with the same vision and desire to be the best we can be here in our community.
Dr. Ghamagami's personal mantra is simple: always get better. After every surgery he performs, Dr. Ghamagami writes in a notebook he's kept since 1994. He records what went well, what was unique, and how to improve the next time.
I think one of the most important things that has been a backbone to my determination and desire for success has been my father. So, my father is a physician who just celebrated his 99th birthday last month. And to this day, he continues to educate, learn, and advance the science of medicine. And it's been an example for me.
His commitment to excellence extends far beyond his role as a surgeon. He's also a teacher, training future and current robotic surgeons from around the globe. They travel to Silver Cross weekly to observe and learn from one of the world's foremost robotic surgeons.
Dr. Gamagami's approach to medicine is incredibly innovative. He is always willing to try new technologies. In fact, he uses those new technologies in his teaching of others. Because he employs those technologies here, he has made Silver Cross a destination for surgical services in our community.
He actually draws people into the hospital from a wide area, 2-3 hours away sometimes. And I think that's helped Silver Cross not only from a reputation standpoint, but the patients here get the best care that they could get in the region.
And while his career has been a culmination of surgical milestone after milestone, he loves nothing more than spending time with his family, traveling with his wife Angela, spending time with his 3 sons, and visiting his parents in California are just some of the ways Dr. Gamagami spends his time outside the OR.
Reza, on behalf of the entire perioperative team here at Silver Cross Hospital, congratulations. This award was well deserved. We are so very proud of you.
Congratulations, Reza, on receiving the 2025 Searing Medal of Excellence. I can't think of anyone who deserves it more. Congratulations.
For his pioneering work in robotic surgery, his dedication to advancing healthcare, and his lasting impact on patients, colleagues, and the community, the Silver Cross Hospital Board of Directors proudly presents Dr. Reza Gamagami with the 2025 Silver Cross Searing Medal of Excellence.
I want to thank the Childer Guild, the Foundation, and Silver Cross Hospital for this incredible, humbling award. Thank you. It's been really an incredible surprise and a delight to be a recipient of this year's award. I'm grateful for this opportunity, but this opportunity to be awarded would not have been possible without the vision of Ruth Colby, Paul Pollack, and Mary Beth Antone some 13 years ago. And I'm grateful to the nursing staff, the Intuitive Da Vinci support, and most importantly, obviously, to my family, my boys, my daughter, and my incredible wife, who's continued to be supportive in this endeavor to make this a success, for me to show up every day to do what I consider to be my passion.